The reign of terror and anarchy continues in the state governance and misrule of the ruling BJP government. In yet another incident, SFI State Secretary Shandipan Deb has been assaulted at its own residence on Sunday night in Jayanagar area. In brazen violations of COVID norms and night curfew imposed in entire Agartala Municipal Corporation areas, Shandipan Deb's home was vandalized by BJP bike troops. Protesting against this unprovoked attack, activists and supporters of SFI, DYFI and TSU held protest demonstration in front of State Police Headquarters demanding immediate stern action against the BJP goons for violating COVID norms and attacking SFI State Secretary Shandipan Deb. According to the details of the incident, Shandipan, who has been coordinating the relief distribution program among COVID distressed people under the banner of People's Relief Volunteers, had returned home at around 10 p.m. and was washing himself in the bathroom. At that time, a gang of 20 or 25 BJP miscreants arrived in front of his house on motorbikes and started calling him out. Shandipan with his elder and younger brothers came out and the BJP mafia charged him with violations of COVID norms in distributing COVID relief. Shandipan countered this, asking the miscreants how they had arrived in front of his house in such large number in violation of COVID norms. Even as the verbal exchanges continued, a large number of people of Jayanagar, including some BJP supporters, reached the spot and charged the miscreants with distributing peace and violating COVID norms. Forced on the back foot by so many people, the BJP hooligans who had assaulted Shandipan earlier took to heels and fled the spot. As the news spread like wildfire, a large number of SFI and TSU activists gathered in the SFI office in Melarmat and then marched towards the state police headquarters on Monday. They demonstrated in front of the police headquarters, shouting slogans to press for arrest of the BJP miscreants and calling in question police inaction on incidents involving the miscreants and anti-socials of BJP. Later on, the leader of opposition Manik Sarkar also met and spoke to Shandipan Deb in the state SFI office in Melarmat. Voicing against the increasing political attacks on opposition and common man in Tripura, DYFI State Secretary Nabaran Deb has said that public have stopped going to police in Tripura as they know that police cannot give them justice.
রাজ্যে এই সরকার প্রতিষ্ঠার পর সন্ত্রাস একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা দখল করেছে। গতকালকে রাত্রি 10:30টায় একদম আমাদের পুলিশের যে হেডকোয়ার্টার তার থেকে সর্বোচ্চ 1 থেকে 1.5 কিলোমিটার দূর আমাদের রাজ্যের ছাত্র আন্দোলনের নেতা এসএফআই রাজ্য সম্পাদক কমরেড সন্দীপনের বাড়িতে ঢুকে সন্দীপন এসএফআই রাজ্য সম্পাদক, তার ভাই হচ্ছেন সৃজন, আমাদের এসএফআই এর লোকাল কমিটির সম্পাদক, তার খুড়তুতো ভাই, তাদের উপর আক্রমণ সংঘটিত করে এবং তাদের বাড়িতে হচ্ছে নাইট কারফিউ চলছে। সাধারণ মানুষ ঘর থেকে বেরোনো সম্পূর্ণভাবে নিষেধ। সমাজদ্রোহীরা গোটা রাজ্য দাপিয়ে বেড়াচ্ছে। সন্দীপন তার দুই ভাইয়ের উপর আক্রমণ করেছেন, এখন পর্যন্ত গ্রেপ্তার নেই।
The statement came after a violent attack that had taken place in Tripura SFI State Secretary Shandipan Deb's home yesterday night. This is not the first attack in CPM Youth Wing's leaders' homes, but various times similar attacks took place. In the last 3 years, house-to-house attacks have turned into a common culture which was never seen before in the state before the BJP came into power in 2018. Bureau Report, Halabur.